happening? Chateau de Loves.
Chateau Loves.
Just got cleaned up, got everything for the day, and going to find a restaurant for breakfast.
Here in Dwight.
Yeah, we're in Dwight, Illinois.
Yep. So we're gonna hit a couple spots here in Dwight. There's not a lot, super much here, but we're gonna hit a couple spots, get some pics, and then we're gonna head for, there's an Old R66 Family Restaurant that we're gonna go eat breakfast at.
Yeah.
So we're gonna eat a move on.
I need some coffee.
Yes. Go juice.
Okie dokie.
I just volunteer here, that's all.
Awesome.
Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Well, that's great.
Come on in.
Oh,
My
there's your
name's
potato
Jack, I
chips.
volunteer at the gas station. I'll tell you a little bit about the place.
Excellent.
It opened up in 1933 and closed in 1999.
Wow.
66 years on 66.
Oh,
It's the longest running gas station on 66, period. The old register and phone they used back then,
So those are original coin, that's awesome.
and old style credit card machine.
Oh, the old stuff.
oh, I remember. Oh, that's sad. I remember those. I know, right? What does that say?
Those over there are original work orders that are done in cars.
Oh, cool.
Just roll them up by hand. Old wooden case for soda bottles are hard to find. We got much more in the other room, but you can still find them some places. You could pay a lot of money for those things too. Some of the candy they used to sell back then. Some you can still get, some you can't. Everybody has a favorite, I'm sure. The last owner of this place, name was Phil Becker. He still lives in town. That's his car on the billboard out there, away. That's his picture on the wall. Before he closed this, he became a marathon distributor. Those pumps are in the other room. Texaco pumps were back after he left. When he closed in '99, he donated it to the city.
Oh, that was
So
nice.
it's all of my volunteers.
Oh, that's a class
That's
move.
nice.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Isn't that cool?
See over here too.
Oh, wow.
You see where the building was added on here?
Oh, well, there you go. Yeah.
Oh,
Pretty easy to see right there.
yeah.
And they just spelled right over here.
Wooden crates. And the car manuals used back then.
Oh, my word. That's great.
Okay.
Okay. You gotta grab this. And I want you to push it forward hard, not easy, okay? Go.
Everybody can plug their ears. That's awesome.
And there's a sign-in sheet over there, please sign in, and find a place on the map where you're from and put a pin in it for me.
Okay.
Okay?
Sean, you were that, right?
Yes.
Your name was Jack, right? Thank you so much. Yes, Sean.
Thank you so much.
Yes, and
You
I'm
made
Laura.
You made our day, man.
Yes, you
Thank
absolutely did.
We come here from everywhere, man. So. $0.38 a gallon.
Yeah, our box is
wild.
a big box like that. Our pop bottles are
That box, the red one is smaller, I think.
full. I'm just saying taller,
Oh, okay.
like ours is like a big.
Somebody wrote most of those bottles in that red case. There's only like 6 bottles.
That's so cool.
Get little video lesson here.
Pretty cool. The old Texaco station in Dwight. Built in 1933, ran till 1999. But you probably heard that all in the video, so just in case. That was great.
Show him some clips.
Yeah.
So great. It's so fun that so many people love it.
Get the Harley.
I am. I'm getting some video. Ah, that's amazing. Okay.
Don't come back.
Hi.
Super sweet of you, but
kid, weeds and trees and things.
Sure.
It had caught fire and
Oh my.
they had just left it. And then the preservation committee just started in on it, and this is what it is.
Well, that's great.
Are you guys doing the whole thing? Or
We are.
Oh, wow. Oh, no. Yes. Oh, my dad, your dad would just love this. Grandpa Lossman would love this. Wow. Oh, yeah.
So that future generations can see what original gasoline stations were like. Since 1996, volunteers have worked very hard to make this a reality. What you see is the result of thousands of hours of dedicated efforts and a true labor of love. This structure was built in 1932, and the two bays were added in 1937. The style is known as a house with a canopy. The station was one of at least 10 gas stations on this original section of Route 66. A restaurant once occupied the area where the camper and signs are now located. Fire destroyed it in the 1970s. In the beginning, this was a Standard Oil station. In later years, it served as the Phillips 66 then a Sinclair dealer. The station represents another generation. A time when the pace was a little slower and travel was an adventure. Tens of thousands of people have passed this way before you. Some say that if you sit on the bench and close your eyes, you can sense, even hear the sounds of folks from long ago. It is a magical moment. The excitement of travel, the apprehension of what lies ahead on the ribbon of road known as Route 66. We look back on these old mom and pop businesses with respect. Places like this represent real America. Proprietors of these roadside establishments worked very hard. Most folks never traveled far from their businesses, and yet they were very knowledgeable, for the world virtually came to their front door. Today you may find this hard to believe, but the road, Route 66 in front of the station, was so busy during the 1930s and 40s that traffic was often bumper to bumper. We suggest you go investigate the brown sign directly across from the church. As you look at the station, you'll notice it has shingle siding. This is the only surviving station on Route 66 to still have this original material. Most everything you see, the signs and miscellaneous objects, have all been donated. Unfortunately,